Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Audi. This is A6C7. How to change the batteries on your key fob. This is Audi key fob. It takes one battery, which is CR2025. The first step will be, we're going to press this button. The blade key comes out. We're going to press this button and on the other side in the front. Press it together and then just pull it. And this is the battery. You just take it out. So these are CR2025 battery. And I'll list the part number under my description. I already opened one. So when we're going to put it in, it's very simple. You slide it. You put it this way and it goes in easily. When we're going to put it in, and you can see the red light came on. That is a good indication the battery is good. Then we're going to press it down all the way firmly. And then the blade key. And that's all easy and simple to change your key fob battery. One tip I wanted to share with you, please don't use other battery which is compatible to CR2025, which is CR2032. That is a little thicker, so it will cause more problem when you're going to slide it or you're going to open it or close it. So don't damage your key. Please use the right battery, CR2025. I hope this video helped you out. If it does, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.